Dogecoin has been all the rage since its initiation. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? Or on the other hand, how high will Dogecoin go? With the unpredictability and vacillations in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at 10 years? Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. As per our Dogecoin forecast 2024, the image coin might have least and most extreme costs of around $85 and $26 individually. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin gauge recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of $0.39 with a base cost of $25. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. According to our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that the image token might exchange at a greatest cost of $0.82 with a base cost of $0.57 in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates the Dogecoin establishment from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital currencies are planned to the point that they have a hard stop cap of monetary forms. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has huge potential. With the sort of acclaim rising, Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the notoriety and fan wave that twirls around it. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and steadfast worth wins around an air of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital currency world, there is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the digital currency space, and that is the point at which our cryptographic money cost gauge comes into the image. Dogecoin's absolute market cap is exchanging around $11,618,492,175 and is currently the 9th greatest advanced money on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.9293 with an exchanging volume of $606.56. The ongoing stock is at 142 to 4B Doge, while the all-out coursing supply is 142 to 4B. The general digital currency market capitalization has denoted a massive change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH in May 2021, it denoted a gigantic fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a good recuperation. The Doge's cost penniless the quick obstruction with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the pivotal opposition of $99 and surprisingly succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the cost of Doge began to exchange underneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers recommend that the image coin needs some more purchaser backing to support the positive excursion. Will Dogecoin go up? Indeed, the cost of Doge is supposed to go up. The ongoing buyer market of the crypto world will keep going long, and that essentially affects the cost of Doge. In October, Dogecoin was exchanging just around $0.05. Yet, with the whole market seeing a bullish energy, Doge has seen an ascent of around 60%. This ascent is supposed to keep on filling in the future also. Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the cost of Dogecoin flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin digital money and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter without a doubt. Financial backer opinion viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the examination, Doge's cost will be maintained in the event that the hypotheses materialize. Dogecoin came to $11. Just with hypotheses, it will become one of the most amazing crypto resources. In light of our ongoing cost activity and verifiable information, Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional digital forms of money equipped for being utilized as a practical cash as opposed to just as a theoretical resource. As indicated by the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a productive speculation, and they anticipate that the cost of Dogecoin should be around $0.0318 by long-term end. Conversely, the cost examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to $20 in 2024. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unequaled high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $0.47 by 2030. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. According to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be $22 in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a most extreme cost of $28 and a base cost of $85. Doge Forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around $1.39 and $25. In correlation, the typical cost may be around $32 toward the finish of 2025. Doge Value Expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost figure, it might hit a most extreme cost of $0.45 and a base exchanging cost of around $0.30 for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around $38. A huge convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Doge Expectation 2027. As per our Dogecoin cost investigation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at $51, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around $35. In actuality, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps $43. Dogecoin Figure 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unstable crypto space, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of $57 with a base cost of $40. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be $49. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge value history and expectations uncover that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between $47 to $63, where the previous is the least conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps $55. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Doge Cost Forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least cost of $82 and $57. The typical cost might be around $69, with a nice rate change for the year 2030.